Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me AK, and today I am going to tell you the secrets of Brookhaven. I have researched a lot about this, and I'm gonna show you the secrets of Brookhaven, how much I know. So the first place is at the cleaners. So let's go there. So at the cleaners there is a secret place, and there are more, so stay tuned. So when you enter into the cleaners, you have to go back here, and it says do not enter, but we have to enter. Sorry for the rules. And here you can see this light. If you click on it, there's a secret place here, and this is like mostly a criminal base kind of thing. So here there are like many guns, a bomb, you can actually pick it up. So if you click on it, you'll get all the guns and all. Oops. So here you can see, if you sit on this chair, these are police cams, so you can see if the city is nice and clean for the police. And if you jump, you can get off the cams. So this was place 1. So this place is a really good place. So the second place is nearby, it is at the bank. So this is very useful to bank robbers, the robbers. So here you'll have a green card, you have to click on it and you have to take it. So you can't, without this card you can't enter this room, so that's why you need this card. And here they do bank robbery, but we are not gonna do that. We should not rob the bank. And if the police are here and they are like knocking on the door and like you are very tensed, you can use this way. Like there's a secret place right here, and this leads to the cleaners directly, and you can go from the back door. So here we had our last secret. So yeah, you can like run from here and you can escape from here. So this is the second secret of Brookhaven. So the third secret is actually in a house that we have to spawn. So we have to quickly spawn a house. So we should find a empty place. Yeah, so we have to spawn. You can do this trick only if you're premium. So we have to spawn this mansion. Okay, you have to spawn this mansion. Okay, it takes time. Okay, so now you have to go inside, lock your doors. You have to become very small. You have to become very small, like the least size. And then there is a bathroom here after the kitchen, it's right here. And here there's a secret hideout. And if you are playing like hide and seek and you don't want to be seen, you have to take out your name and then you can just hide here, you can just chill. So this is the third secret place. Oh, it's a little hard to get out from this place, so we're just gonna spawn in our house, in the front of our house. Yeah, so I'll become my size again. The next one is in the aeroplane, so let's quickly go there. Yeah, so that was like really cool, because like whenever you're playing hide and seek or you're making a video on playing hide and seek in that mansion, like that's a very good hiding spot. This next one is also pretty cool, when you're playing hide and seek in the plane when you're bored, but you should not do that, because if something like the plane is going little bumpy, then you can fall in real life. So we are in the jet. or plane, whatever, and you have to go to the restroom, and you should become a little small for this one, not the least size, so a little small. And when you want to play hide and seek, you can just go inside here. Well, bam, you can't see me anymore. So you have to take out your name so that you people can't see your name. So this is one of the secret spots, so this is also pretty cool. And the other one is also a hiding spot in a house, so let's just spawn that house. Okay, so now we are going to spawn that house. I can't really wait for 10 minutes to spawn, so I'm gonna join another server quickly. So I'm gonna join again so that we can directly go into that secret, you know. Yeah, so it's gonna start. By the way, if you want me to play if you want me to go camping one day and show you my camping routine in Brookhaven, then you can just comment down below. And if you want me to play any other games, you can also comment down below. So yeah, we are going to find a house. Okay, this vacant is empty, so we have to spawn. This is not needed for premium. We have to spawn this house. Okay, for this it's not really necessary to become a kid, but if you become a kid, like you'll be more sure, like they won't get you and all. So if you you can go inside the staircase. That's so cool. Yeah, so that's it for this one. Let me become bigger. Okay, I'm gonna take you directly to the last one, the last secret, I should probably say. It's not that kind of a secret, but like it's a place that most of the people don't know. So yeah, have to like search for the pool. Yeah, like that's not a pool, but that is a ocean. It's not even an ocean. I don't know what it is. It's right there. Yeah, so you have to go swimming. I don't have a swimsuit, don't mind me. So we have to go like here, and like you can see that it's kind of a mountain, but you can go inside that. Isn't that so cool? That's so cool. And you have to become a kid, and then like here, if you're a kid, you can go inside of here. That's so cool. So yeah, let me become big again. Okay, yeah, so guys, I'm going to show the last one. This is the last one. And it is right here at the daycare. So Okay, so you have to go here and you have to go on this green thingy. You have to go, and here you can see, you think you can't go inside here, but you can actually go inside here. And if you become small, like this is not necessary, but to become sure, if you are playing hide and seek in all of Brookhaven, you can like just be here and no one will ever expect that you are here. See, it's totally awesome. They can see you a little bit from here. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to my sites. So that's the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye. I will see you next time.